morning students, myself Jaini from VOC Vidyalaya Matriculation Higher Secondary School in Perambur. Today's class we are going to see about India outline map. Last class we saw about world map from volume 1. This is fully about volume 2. Now before going to the video, take out the outline map with the pencil. Now see the outline map. First place you want to see about Delhi. If you mark Delhi, other place we can coincident nest by nest. First place is Delhi. So first enters. Now can you see this curve? This curve straightly Delhi will be appeared. Straight away the degree will be 76. Can you see in other map? This map has not given the 76 degree. In other map you will be having 76. So straight away to the 76 degree you can mark Delhi, and this is the curve. Once you mark down the Delhi, next to the Delhi will be the Meerut. Meerut also nearby the curve you can see the Meerut. The Meerut upper part will be Hamla. Hamla, this neck you can see, this is the neck, below the neck. Okay, this is the neck, and this is also one curve this side. So this will be the Hamla. After completing Hamla, this place is most important. So for this you see this line. Okay, this line for first curve, this will be Barli, and other curve will be Lucknow. Okay, this is the two curve. After completing this, straight away to this curve, can you see this? To this curve will be Agra. After completing Agra, down away will be the Kanpur. After Kanpur, there will be a one place. Can you see this curve? Straight away to this curve. Go here. And after that completing, the center will be straight away Delhi. Center will be the Jhansi. You can see this. Jhansi will be divided the India. Okay. For this, the center will be Jhansi. Next to the Jhansi will be Allahabad, and Allahabad downside will be the Banaras, and last will be the Barakpur. Next we are going to see about another India outline map. Here we will be having n number of places. So first what you do, split the India map into three parts. So this is the head, and this is the body, and this is the tail. Okay, so coming to the 8th part, as you shall know, first it will be the Kashmir. After completing the Kashmir, sharp at the neck, this is the neck. Okay, sharp at the neck you will be having Jallianwala Bagh. Okay, this is inside the boundary. Outside the boundary you will be having from the left side is Lagos. So keep the dot carefully. Okay, before itself we saw that Delhi, the curve will be the Delhi, Meerut, Lucknow, Kanpur. After completing the Kanpur, next left side will be, you can already we saw that, right, the curve. So first curve will be, second curve will be Lucknow. The third curve will be, we having two places. One is Chauri Chaura incident, other one is Gorakhpur. After completing Allahabad, right to that will be the Patna. Okay. Now next what you do, split into two part. First itself we split into three part. Now what you do, major split. Okay, we are going to split the India into two part. In the middle of, already we saw that here will be the Jhansi. This part is most important. So come frequently to the left side. In the left side, the horn will be your one horn. Can you see this horn? Near this horn, first will be Kedah. Okay. Apart from that, above will be Sabarmati. Now come for the below, you can see one curve. That will be Bardoli. Below that will be Dandi. Below that will be Bombay. Three are friends. Okay, they are friends. Now below that will be the Pune, and below that, can you see one dotted here? Here will be the Satara. I completed over here. Now come for the middle place. They will be having two brothers. They are brothers. Okay, we can feel it as brother. One will be Nagpur and other will be Varta. Okay, yeah, you can memorize that. Below the Jhansi, you can see the Jhansi and the two brothers. Okay, after that you can see one curve. Near to this curve will be the Odisha. Now coming for the last part. Okay, So you can see this Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu will be having one particular female face. Can you see this face? Okay, in the particular female face, it will be Madras, and female will be having nose pin, right? So nose pin will be Vedaranyam. Okay. Now completing this, going to the side part, and you already know this. This will be the Assam. Okay, Assam. And Borakpur, we already saw that, right? Here will be Kolkata. Same place can Kolkata. And going for the last edge. Can you see this large edge? Chittagong. Okay. So these are the most important place in both the map. Keep on memorizing it and take a map and do a writing practice. Thank you.